In this video, we are going to show you how to fix the "your system has run out of application memory" error. When there are too many running programs on your Mac, it may result in Mac running slow or the hard drive full. Then your Mac may not respond. Now you may want to fix this problem by optimizing memory storage. However, it doesn't work since the system will still keep inactive RAM for a while even though you have already quit the application which takes up space. How to fix the "Mac system has run out of application memory" error. We recommend you use PowerMyMac to free up your drive space. PowerMyMac is a professional Mac cleaner tool. It allows users to free up RAM, locate the app eating up storage, and quit it too. You can also check the app memory usage at any time and free up space when your Mac runs slow. Optimize your Mac with one click. First, free download and install PowerMyMac on your Mac. You can enjoy the free trial with 500 megabytes. Second, launch PowerMyMac and select App Uninstaller from the left side of the interface. Then, hit Scan to start the scan process on your Mac. Finally, select all the applications you want to uninstall and press Clean. You can also use PowerMyMac's other functions to delete all kinds of junk files and free up space on your Mac. We provide free trial versions of the above features. Download and clean your Mac now.